today's recipe is going to be for mac and cheese, although we're adding a little bit of a healthy twist in there, and we're going to throw in some veggies and we're going to do a really easy cheese sauce. So before we start prepping our ingredients, we just need to put some water in a large saucepan and bring that to the boil. So in this recipe, we're going to be using cauliflower, and I've also got some broccoli here that I had in my fridge. So with our cauliflower, we're just going to break off some little florets. Keep breaking your cauliflower up until you get small pieces like this. So mac and cheese would traditionally use macaroni pasta, but you can use anything. So we're going to use a penne pasta here, and we're just going to put it straight in the boiling water. We're going to cook our pasta for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add in the cauliflower. Whilst that's happening, we're going to prepare some more of our ingredients. So we've got some garlic and some rosemary, and you can choose to add any other bits as well. I might throw in some tomatoes. As soon as the cauliflower is soft enough to squash with a fork, then you can drain it, put it in a bowl, put it to one side, and we're just going to finish off making the sauce, and then we'll pop it in the oven. So in our saucepan, we have got the cooked garlic, the rosemary stalks, we've added the creme fraiche and the cheddar cheese, and we're just heating this on low to melt the cheese, and then we'll add in our pasta and vegetables. And then our last job is we are going to sprinkle on top our breadcrumbs, which has got a little bit of our cheese in, a little bit of our rosemary in. So once your breadcrumbs start to go a little bit golden, you can take it out of the oven, let it cool down a bit, and then you are ready to serve.